I arrived in New Zealand, ready for the challenges and opportunities ahead of me. Despite being a skilled migrant, it was hard to find work. Then, I discovered Work Connect. I checked my eligibility and signed up. The Work Connect program offers 10 hours of free career coaching and mentoring. I had one-to-one coaching sessions for advice that was personalized for my skills, qualifications, experience, and goals. There were group workshops about New Zealand workplace culture, job hunting, interview skills, and informational interviewing. I learned about the hidden job market, how to promote myself to potential employers, and what they look for in a candidate. I was given guidance on how to prepare my CV and cover letter for New Zealand job market, and how to prepare for and present myself at a job interview. We also learned more about the culture of typical New Zealand workplace. After the program finished, while I put my new job hunting skills into practice, I got additional phone support, which was incredibly helpful. Finally, I could make use of my skills and qualifications and get a job I really love. Now, my dream has come true.